Unity Combat MMA. And his opponent from the red corner, Joshua Manayan, representing Rock and Roll in the middle.
Prakash Bohra.
MMA fight of the night.
Intense stare down between these two fighters and touch of the gloves.
If face-off, best face-off had an award, it was these guys yesterday.
I think the face off with energy when he carry back.
3 minute, 3 rounds. No elbows. Beside that, everything goes.
Man,
Joshua straight there.
Joshua landing a lot of clean punches.
And these guys are coming out.
Guns blazing, eh?
Guns blaze. Sano gloves. Joshua shooting for the double leg. Good job by Prakash Bohra with the underhook. Joshua with the sneaky knee. Good turnaround by Prakash. He's an experienced fighter. Joshua, the less experienced guy, but it's not showing right now. His coach asking him to box. Rahul in his corner.
But I think Joshua needs to be a little conservative with his energy as well. First fight, he's
going for the single leg. Pulling him away. Good balance shown by Prakash Bohra right there. See? It's not an easy game to take. Oh, down.
I think
Joshua looking hungry there. See, Prakash Bohra अझै थाकेको छैन. Joshua को output wild high छ यो fight मा. He's looking for a first round finish जस्तो देखिरहेछ. Still halfway बाकी छ first round को.
Prakash needs to be careful not to land those.
Joshua resetting in the center of the cage. Southpaw मा change गर्यो Prakash Bohra.
Joshua needs to be careful.
Prakash back with couple of shots. Joshua ko leg looks buckled alikati thakera ho ki he got clipped, hard to say.
Prakash's coach asking for a head kick.
With the underhooks, Prakash dominating the cage. Aile गर्यो knee to the gut. अलिकति फाइटरहरू I would love to see them अलिक settle down हुन्छ नि. Single leg तानिरहेछ जसवाले. On his knees, प्रकाश बराइले राम्रो काम गरिरहेछ त्यो हात ग्रिप लाउनु दिएको छैन क्या देखिस. Inside knee like good job by Joshua. Knees like allowed हो नि त त्यो.
Yeah.
अहिले यो इभेन्टमा the knee to the head पनि allowed छ, so fighters
Need to be careful
need
of
to be
that.
careful.
Joshua really digging in for that single leg.
But he needs to be wary about not letting all the energy waste out त्यो clinch मा.
Yep, that's what I was saying. उसको inexperience देख्छ कि 10 seconds on the clock. यस्तो हुँदाखेरि अलिक त्यो हुन्छ कि
Ah,
demoralize हुन सक्छ कि.
Yeah.
But you can look at it from a lot of ways. You know, a second round Joshua can feint and throw hands as well. So I don't know, that was an evenly contested defense. प्रकाशले राम्रो गर्यो, but volume चाहिँ Joshua को high थियो भनौँ न punches मा. तर पनि उसले MMA training चाहिँ cross train दिल्लीबाट start गरेको नि.
सानो
Prakash
आएर
Bora,
security
good stance.
गरेको अहिले, हैन?
I like Prakashको stance, you know, he's cool in positions अहिले.
Yeah.
You know, so he looks like his energy चाहिँ अलिक बेसी प्रकाशको छ जस्तो देखिरहेछ है. But I couldn't be wrong. जसवाले फर्स्ट राउन्डमा पुरा एनर्जी वेस्ट त भन्दिनँ, पुरा एनर्जी युज गरेको छ. So the fights are a lot about how you manage your energy as well, not just you cannot burn out.
Joshua needs to अलिकति head movement चाहिँ अलिकति धेरै अलिकति predictable भइरहेछ जस्तो लाग्यो. Prakash was able to land a good combination.
It's the shin on shin, man, that hurts. मलाई दुख्यो तिनीहरूको खुट्टा ठोकेको देखेर.
है अहिले झन् as we move deeper into our card अलिक चिसो पनि हुँदै जान्छ है.
Jab राम्रो ल्यान्ड गर्यो. प्रकाश back with the cross. These guys are weighing each other. 1 minute into the second round.
I think we were
Oh, that teep to the face landing, yeah?
yeah, I think he's tried that a couple of times.
Punches landing. Oh, the kick by Prakash landed on Joshua's forearm. Prakashको kick राम्रो रहेछ है तर.
So distance judgment, especially with those kicks.
Both of these fighters are doing a good job giving different looks, attacking the leg, body, head.
Prakash's coach asking him to get out of the cage.
These guys are just 20, 21-year-old kids, you know, with a body lock, single leg run गर्नु खोजिरहेछ, हात lock गरिरहेछ, फेरि punch. Prakash needs to get away from the cage, brother. It's not good for him to get pinned in against the cage like that and eat shots.
Joshua needs to be careful when he goes into these combinations, or he's leaving his chin out there to be hit.
Heavy mouth breathing by both of these fighters.
1 minute left. Feints by Prakash, reacting to Joshua's feints. अहिले Prakash's coach yelling for that head kick. I don't think he's got that energy to throw head kicks. Head kick हान्नु energy चाहिन्छ नि.
A good step back by
बाहिरबाट
Joshua.
head kick भन्नु सजिलो छ. एउटा फालेर मिस भयो भने फेरि punch landed. Joshua digging for that double, locking the double, but Prakash with a good base. Joshua resorting to a single leg, trying to get the body lock. Prakash with a good job with the whizzer and wrist control. Joshua like takedown gonna sazilo bhayo. Second round also looking very much like the first, with Joshua pressing Prakash against the cage. Prakash needs to circle away from the cage and take the fight to the center. Let's go. Third round, first MMA fight, third fight overall of this evening. Those tuning in, this is a NWC 7 and Contender Fight Series mashup, Lakeside Pokhara, 27 December. First MMA fight of the night. Joshua Manin versus Prakash Bora. trading in the center. Prakash starting to land shots. Third round I think Prakash knows he's trailing vanera. So he's alikati first 2 round ma back foot ma thyo. I think his coach asked him to put the gas on. Jabs dekhaundecha Prakash. Oh, Joshua entering again against the cage, trying to knee the knee.
I think Joshua's
Bicep
been
control.
able to use that knee very effectively throughout this fight.
Prakash with a sneaky body knee of his own.
Joshua trying to free himself.
Prakash getting the body pin against the cage now. Joshua is a strong guy, man. You can see
Yeah.
physically he's got like physical advantage just like I ball ma wrestling department ma
The cage ma
again. Oi, Prakash landed that cross. Sweet. तैले भनेको जस्तो जसुवाको हेड मुभमेन्ट अलिकति लाग्छ डेजिकल देखिरहेछ अहिले अलिकति.
And like when he's moving back, he's like going on a straight line. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि अलिकति predictable भइरहेको छ प्रकाशको लागि. Whereas Prakash, he tries to circle away यसो हेर्दाखेरि.
Joshua has his nose bleeding right now.
Oh, he landed. Oh my God, these guys are trading, man.
We still have.
Oh, big right hand by Joshua.
Joshua turning on the crazy now, where he left off. He's smiling as he bleeds, man. That's what I love to see, you know. These kids, man, made of something else. He's face off that grim reaper smile.
Less than a minute left in this fight. Joshua still on the front foot, trying to make this easier for the judges.
Prakash Bora. Okay, this is a good fight for both of these kids. He's also a Nepalese guy.
Yeah.
Trains in India. So, your NWC event is for guys like him, you know.
Showboating by Joshua. That's when Prakash should have at least landed something when Joshua slipped.
I think Joshua, the Prakash had the...
That brings us to the end of our first MMA bout between Joshua Menon and Prakash Bora.
Good to see young guys, 20, 21-year-old kids, you know, duke it out, get their debut out of the way. Prakash Kopani, Nepal, my first fight, Nepalese debut. Good to see Joshua Kopani, MMA amateur career, go first fight of the night. I mean, his amateur career. Good show out, all 3 rounds. Awesome to see.
I think
I'm proud of these
that
guys,
was the
both
first
of them.
MMA fight here in Pokhara, like official. Yeah, so history has been made.
Azu history ma.
The gate for all the fights that are going to take place today. We have exciting fights still deep into the card, all the way up to the co-main event. And now we're just awaiting the decision from the judges.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, this fight has gone to the judges' scorecard. Declaring your winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Joshua Menon.